Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Claire and I am from Belfast in Ireland.
How do you see the festival?
It is the most wonderful event I have ever been at. I came last year for the first time and it was so amazing and special that I brought my entire family and friends with me, and we're so blessed because I get to work in Ethiopia quite a lot with the Cooperative Bank of Irreecha, and we are here as their guests, and it is truly one of the best experiences of my life.
What do you learn from this festival?
Just how everyone comes together. You know, Ethiopia is a very diverse place, lots of different cultures and tribes and religions. And look at this, everyone's dancing, everyone's enjoying themselves. All you feel is love and happiness.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hi, my name is Lily. I am also from Northern Ireland.
How's the festival, Irreecha festival?
It is one of the most amazing things I've ever seen. It's just amazing.
Do we expect millions of people to come together for this Irreecha festival?
I'm going to be honest, I didn't expect this many people, and I think it's amazing that everybody could just come together and create this.
What do you learn from Oromo people and also from this festival?
This festival taught me a lot about the traditions, and we went to the museum yesterday and I learned a lot about all the cultures and traditions here.
Dancing last night.
And a lot of dancing.
A lot of dancing.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Marty. I'm from New Zealand. Ethiopia is my second family, second home, and I am loving Irreecha.
How is Irreecha today?
Wonderful. Never been to Irreecha before? Wow. Not really, no, I didn't. My brother he said, come to Irreecha. And so I came, and it was everybody's friendly, and yeah.
What do you learn from these people, from Oromo people, and also from the festival?
From the festival, there's like lots of different, even though everybody's Oromo or supporting Oromo, like they're very different, but one very diverse but unified, one heart. Maybe, New Zealand, so yeah, love to. If you haven't been to Irreecha, you've missed out.
My name is Ryan. I'm from Minneapolis, Minnesota. I just got here 2 days ago. I came here for Irreecha.
How do you see the Irreecha festival?
I mean, we were out at midnight last night. We saw waves of people coming. And I was like, what is going on? I don't, you know, I've never been here before, my first time, and it's amazing. It's impressive. People look beautiful, so nice, friendly, and it's amazing.
Do you expect millions of people come together to be on Irreecha?
I don't know what I was expecting, but it wasn't this. I did not know this many people coming for it. No. That's what I'm in the progress of. You know, what I'm learning is I was curious about what it was, kind of like a Thanksgiving, you know, like an old tradition that comes together, where it's from when I'm being American, we have Thanksgiving. It's like something that's been changed over time, you know, where it starts at after the changing of the seasons and the festivals, and now it's this huge gathering of Oromo people, and it's fascinating.
Is your first time to be in Ethiopia?
It is.
So how do you see Ethiopia as a general?
I love it. I have nothing but good things to say. The people here are super nice and friendly. The food is amazing. The women are beautiful.
Do you taste the food?
The food, I love the food, yeah.
Thank you so much. Have a nice time.
Thank you too much.
Hello, I'm Caitlin.
Where are you from?
I'm from Minnesota.
How do you see Irreecha festival?
I'm having the best time. I feel so lucky to be here.
When you hear about Irreecha, do you expect millions of people come together?
No, I didn't know there'd be as many people here as there are.
Is it your first time to be in Irreecha?
It's my first time.
So what do you learn from Irreecha?
I learned about the sense of celebration, thanking God for a new year, many blessings ahead, and just the sense of community and family of bringing everybody together.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Portland, Oregon.
Ayyaana Irreechaa akkamitti dabarsaa akkamitti laata?
Akka malee gamannee waggaa waggaan dhufna. Bagaa nagaa nu geesse Oromoon xiqqoon caccabsa garuu waan saniif as dhufee bara dhaalaa garuu ijoollee illee faranjii illee finnee irraa warra Ameerikaa finnee amma Irreecha akka malee nu gammachiisa akka as biratti dhaabannee as biratti tafannee utaallee akka malee nu gammachiisa bagaa nagaa.
Ichistanii?
Yes. So the one thing that I want to put out and is very important to us is that we have these people out here coming out and enjoying our celebration, right? And I want to make sure that next time that we come back with more people. This is a big celebration. And this is it's not a Oromo celebration, it's not an Ethiopian celebration, this is a world celebration. I would, but I'm always here.
Yeah.
I come here. That's the reason why, or I would be in America. So, but I'm always here. I make it every year, no matter what. So, like I said, this is a festival. It's a big festival. It's not only about Oromo. It's about the world to come here and celebrate with us. Tokuma, Tokuma. We're one only. Everybody comes together. We're one. Walinjira, walindabana, walinyana, walinjira.
Erga yoo qabaatte dhumarratti.
Galatoma dhugaa. We're here because of you guys. Galatoma ulfaadha, jabaadha. Thank you.
Galatoom.